hours reviewing individual resume drafts trying to help your students land competitive internships? Try using Gemini as an expert copy editor to guide your class through optimizing their professional documents for specific job descriptions. Imagine you're leading an accounting and finance seminar, and your students are preparing to apply for highly competitive summer internships. Have your students open Gemini and bring in the target internship description and their current resume, either by pasting the text, uploading the files, or by adding them directly from Drive. Then, direct your students to enter this prompt. Act as an expert career coach and professional copy editor. Analyze this internship description and my resume. Identify the top 3 core competencies required for the role and suggest specific action-oriented phrase adjustments to align my experience with those competencies without changing the underlying facts. In seconds, Gemini analyzes the data and reveals exactly how to translate generic academic achievements into targeted professional outcomes. This clear mapping helps them understand the logic behind corporate recruitment without changing a single underlying fact of their resume. To extend this idea, direct your students to prompt Gemini to generate 3 relevant interview questions and have them use those questions as the foundation for a critical reflection paper. This creates a tailored mock interview framework, prompting students to critically analyze how effectively their resume communicates their skills and where gaps might still remain. This iterative resume refinement exercise cultivates critical evaluation, audience analysis, and tactical editing for the modern job market. Okay, now it's your turn. Head over to gemini.google.com to get started.